Hi guys, my name is Nicole Thompson. I'm the creator of Paws to Perfection Promotions, and I've made it my mission to help businesses really develop their brand image. Today I wanted to give you a little demo on trimming your kitty's nails at home. You don't need any special equipment. All you're going to need is just a regular pair of fingernail trimmers or toenail trimmers. And what you're going to find is, well, first of all, let's introduce our special guest star here. This is Domino, who has decided he's sat with me long enough for the moment. Domino is our 11-year-old tuxedo kitty. He's going to be 11 this spring. He is also polydactyl, which means he has extra toes. So he's going to be our little demo person today. He also has epilepsy, so he has special medication he has to take every day to help keep him from having seizures. So the easiest way to trim the kitty's nails, you'll be fine, just hold on, is to take the toenail that you're going to, or the toe that you're going to trim on, and just apply gentle pressure, because what that's going to do is it's going to push the nail out of its sheath a little bit. Now, the shape of the toenail trimmer is flat, and the shape of the toenail is arced. So by placing it in to the trimmer at a straight angle, the natural arc of the nail prevents you from trimming too close to the quick, and you're never going to hurt them. So again, just move on to the next toe, go straight on, the natural arc of the nail stops it from going in, and then you just complete the cut. He's always been so patient. He's definitely our best behaved kitty for getting his nails trimmed out of the 4 that we have. So he, by default, was elected to be the demo person of the day, or demo kitty of the day. So he's got one whole foot is done. And see how still he sits? Almost done. A lot of kitties are going to get a little bit squirrely for this, but he's pretty mellow. We have Himalayan too, and she turns into a little ball, and she's got a lot of fluffy fur between her toes, so it makes her really hard to trim her nails, because first of all, it's kind of like trying to cut your nails when you have mittens on. And you know the little woolly bear caterpillars? Well, she's very similar to those, the way she curls up. You're fine. All right, all right. And you have to, it's kind of like finding a needle in a haystack to trim her toenails. So I didn't figure she was the best for the demo. And you do the same on the back toes as you did on the front. He's tired of sitting here now because normally I'm done with this. I don't normally talk quite so much when I'm trimming his toenails. Now, a lot of kitties are going to want to scratch on your carpets or your upholstery, on your furniture, and do damage. And the reason that they're doing that is because as the nail grows out, it sheds its husk. And as it's shedding its husk, sometimes it gets stuck on there, and they can't get that off without scratching. It's a natural thing that they want to do, because beneath that dead husk is a nice new sharp nail. And it's uncomfortable for them. Sit still, you're fine. It's uncomfortable for them to have that husk on there. All right, his toenails are all done. He's been a wonderful little demo kitty. Say hi to everybody. I know, you've had enough fun for today. You may go, sir. Thank you for being our demo kitty. So as those nails grow out, the husk gets very uncomfortable, which is why they want to claw on things and remove that husk. So they're really not doing anything bad. It's just what they would do in nature. In nature, they do it on a tree or a stump and remove that naturally. In the house, they only have your door casings or your furniture or your carpet. So I also know that about every 2 weeks, if I haven't kept on the schedule of trimming their nails, they let me know, because all of a sudden they're going to start plucking on the carpet, and we don't want that. So time to take out the trimmers and just give them a little trim. Now, with having 4 cats, you really can't run them to the vet or the groomer every time they need their nails cut. So that's why this was actually veterinary recommended, by telling us that the natural arc to the nail isn't going to allow it to go in too far, and it gives a nice clean cut without causing any harm to the kitty whatsoever. Well, if you guys had any value or found any value in this video, share it on your page, and you can always go back and check it out later. And he's coming back to say hello. He's ready for his treats. So I also have a blog post on paws2perfection.com, and it gives a whole breakdown with images and everything where you can see how to cut the nails right at home. I really had a great time with you today. I enjoyed that you came on and checked out the video and got to meet Domino and learn how to trim your kitty's nails at home. I'll talk to you again soon, guys.